Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we are going to do this natural makeup look using only 5 products. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned and let's go. Starting with the Make Sense foundation in the shade Dewy, I am going to grab my makeup sponge and just tap, 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 tap all over my face. Get a nice even coverage here. Mainly I want to cover up my red spots and start a foundation layer for my dark under eye circles and just have a really nice even complexion. Now I'm going to grab Mocha Java Shadow Sense and an angled brush and fill in my eyebrows. I want a nice even all day look, so Shadow Sense is definitely the way to go with this. Next up, we are going to grab a fluffy brush and Candlelight Shadow Sense. With this, I'm going to go all over the eyelid up to the brow bone. This is going to make a nice even playing field for the rest of the look we're going to do on the eyes. This covers up veins and redness and any imperfections on your eyelids. Now grabbing Mulberry Shadow Sense and a fluffy brush, I'm going to go right along the orbital ridge of my eye or the crease area, back and forth with little circles to make a really nice mid-tone that will accent our eye shape. Going in on both eyes with the same techniques, make them look even. Now grabbing Mocha Java Shadow Sense again, I'm just going to do little tiny circles back and forth all along that outer corner, making kind of a small V. This is just going to add a little bit of dimension to your eye. And now a short bristle brush, the same Mocha Java Shadow Sense, and just drawing underneath and lining underneath the eye for a little extra pop. Grabbing that same angled brush I used to fill in my eyebrows and that same Mocha Java Shadow Sense, I am going to line right along the lash line just to give a little bit of extra definition. And I like a little bit of wing on my eye just to kind of give them a little extra kick. And when we're done with that, we're going to grab our Lash Sense with Undersense. It's a black mascara with a base coat. The base coat goes on first to make your eyelashes appear longer and more full. And then your black mascara goes on top just like normal mascara. And now onto the cheeks. I'm grabbing the Mulberry Shadow Sense and this really great contour brush from Real Techniques, but I think it works great for blush, and just blend, 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 blend right along the apples of your cheeks. And now the lips. I grabbed Bella Lip Sense because I think it's the best for a natural look. 3 super thin layers after shaking that bottle up. Third layer. And I noticed halfway through that my poor little brush, the fuzzies started coming off of it. So it was a different application. And then we grab our glossy gloss after it's dry, pop that on, and we're all set. Nothing. Alright, there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe right down here. It helps me know what kind of content you guys like to see on this channel. And that's it for me tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye, 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 bye.